Evening guys, quick update for my Oleo Mac video, which is up for sale on eBay. A few people have mentioned whether or not I'm not cutting with a couple of the saws because I know they've got problems. Well, let me try to clarify that now, and I'll do a small demo of the Oleo Mac cutting, and hopefully that'll allay anybody's fears if they think I'm not cutting with them because there's some hidden problem. So you'll see it for the first time today. I haven't cut with this saw before. So kill switch, throttle lock. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope that's useful. Cuts quick, cuts clean. May need slight adjustment in the cut because this is the first time I've cut with it, but it seems to peak beautifully. So hope that's suitable for one of you guys out there. Up for spares or repair on eBay. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.